Hello. Today's discussion is on using ignorance to spark innovation, and I've got to begin by saying this is spot on from my experiences. I joined a new organization which had a team of long-standing experts, 30 and 40-year veterans. We were challenged with solving defects on printed products. This process had very little control, very little capability data, and a strong sense of the defects are inherent. It's just what happens when you make the product. And the only way around it is to have a good printing press operator who knows what they're doing, and that'll keep the defects from happening. We've tried, of course, over the last 30 years to solve these things. Being the ignorant outsider, I was able to test a defect detection method that was similar to what we used in semiconductor manufacturing. In semiconductors, basically, we're making a product that you can't see. So the idea was to be able to take that defect detection capability, which was much deeper than probably what we needed, make a few adjustments, and apply that technology to the printing processes. Currently, our customer returns from the print have gone to nearly zero. They've gone to 100% reduction on the 24 of the defects that we specifically targeted with this application. So I know it works, being the ignorant outsider and kind of challenging the status quo, and it was kind of fun along the way. Looking forward, our next problem is we have weak seals that have existed for over 20 years in the product. And we have teams that have been in place since I've been here for the last 2 years that have not made much headway. And taking the concepts in this class, what I want to be able to do is form a small team and maybe mix in a couple of seasoned veterans with maybe one recent college graduate that we hired and see how that goes. Bring in a novice there. Determine what kind of industries might have a parallel situation, a process, or challenge. And in this time, instead of me being directly involved, I want to kind of foster a small team, maybe 3-4 folks, to really coach them through this process of thinking differently. Maybe be able to go visit maybe a non-competitor in a similarly situated industry that might have these types of problems as well. And then experiment with the variables. Let's produce a known bad seal, or what are the parameters, time, temperature, pressure, and current that could produce a known good seal, and then understand where we are in the bounds there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to experimenting with some of these types of skills, and certainly appreciate it. Thank you.